Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use TraderSync Journal. All right, let's begin. TraderSync is a powerful journaling platform designed to help traders analyze performance and improve decision-making. When you first open the platform, you will land on the dashboard, which provides a complete overview of your trading data. Here, you can see important metrics such as total return, profit factor, average return, and win rate. These metrics give you a quick understanding of how well your strategy is performing. On the right side of the dashboard, you will find additional details like entry prices and performance summaries. You can also view which days you were profitable and which days resulted in losses. The platform breaks this down further by showing account performance over time, as well as hourly data, helping you identify the most profitable trading hours. Volumetrics are also available, giving you more insight into your activity. At the top of the dashboard, you can apply filters based on symbol or setup. This allows you to focus on specific trades and analyze patterns more effectively. If you want to log a new trade, simply click the option at the top right corner and enter your trade details. When you navigate to the trade section, you will see a list of all recorded trades. Clicking on any trade opens detailed information, including entry, exit, profit, and loss data. You can edit each trade by adjusting targets, stop losses, and other parameters. TraderSync also allows you to attach notes and images to each trade, making it easier to review your decisions later. The reports section provides deeper analysis through various views. You can access calendar reports to see daily performance, snapshot reports for quick summaries, and detailed breakdowns based on time frames such as hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. These reports help you identify trends and refine your strategy based on real data. The calendar view is especially useful because it visually displays profitable and losing days. This makes it easier to track consistency and spot patterns in your trading behavior. You can quickly click on any date to review the trades executed on that day. The journaling feature is one of the most valuable parts of TraderSync. Each trade can be linked to a journal entry where you can write detailed notes about your thought process, strategy, and execution. If your account is connected to a broker, such as Interactive Brokers, Fidelity, or Robinhood, your trades can be synced automatically. From there, you can click on a trade and begin adding notes or images to document your reasoning and outcomes. Although the platform does not include structured questionnaires for reflection, you can still create your own format within the notes section. This allows you to track improvements, mistakes, and lessons learned over time. Consistent journaling helps you become more disciplined and aware of your trading habits. In the Trades tab, you can revisit all your trades, edit them, and analyze performance in detail. This section acts as your main database for tracking trading activity. You can sort and filter trades to focus on specific strategies or conditions. TraderSync also includes a playlist feature for backtesting. You can select historical trades or scenarios and replay them to test your strategies. This helps you build confidence and improve your execution without risking real capital. Alongside this, the Market Replay tool allows you to simulate trading in past market conditions, giving you a realistic practice environment. Another important feature is the Strategies section. Here, you can create and manage different trading strategies by naming them and defining criteria. You can track performance metrics for each strategy, including capital allocation and entry conditions. This helps you understand which strategies are most effective and where adjustments are needed. If your account does not show any trades initially, you can manually add trades using the top right option. Once trades are added, all analytics and reports will begin to populate automatically. TraderSync also includes a trading plan feature where you can define your focus areas. You can set conditions such as specific days, trade types, or setups to concentrate on. Filters can be applied to ensure your reports reflect only the trades that match your plan. This keeps your analysis aligned with your goals and improves consistency. Overall, TraderSync provides a structured way to track trades, analyze performance, and refine strategies. By using its dashboard, reports, journaling tools, and backtesting features, you can gain valuable insights into your trading behavior and make more informed decisions over time. So that's basically how you can use TraderSync Journal. That's it for this video. Thanks.